I have a little toilet project that is really crucial. Sometimes it's kind of annoying to have some toilets that are leaking and leaking, and you hear them making noises or whatever. So I'm going to teach you how to change the valve, the filling or the tank valve. This thing, and I have it over here. It's called the toilet fill valve. And what happens over here, let me show you. This whole mechanism over here has that floating piece over here, and every time it goes down, obviously it turns on the valve. But the problem is that the little gaskets that are here, sometimes they wear out, and even if you tight your screws really well, they have a problem, and you have water overflowing. So it's kind of like this, constant leak going on. So I'm going to teach you how to replace this thing in a really simple way. You don't need to spend more than probably like $20 to fix it, and you avoid hiring me or somebody else. Okay, let me show you. First thing that you gotta do to replace the valve is to close the water supply to the tank. Be careful, don't start unscrewing all the things around. You just need to close the valve and drain this thing completely. Keep it up all the way until all the water is gone. Okay? Finish emptying all the water out. You're still gonna have a little bit of water left over or remaining over here. And what you want to do is either using a rag or sponge or whatever, you're going to try to take as much water as possible. Actually, all the water, because once you remove this little piece over here, the water is going to just seep through the hole that is in the bottom. So you want to make sure that everything is completely dry over here, okay? Two things that you need to detach over here. You're going to unscrew the valve, the hose, the supply line hose. You're going to unscrew it, and you're going to unscrew the little lock nut that is over here. That's the only thing that you need to do. If you don't have a flexible hose, maybe you have like a solid hose, don't worry, just be careful when you're taking it out, because what you're going to replace it with, some of the same kind, okay? Okay, once we finish taking out that lock nut, we'll remove the fill valve. This is really all you can see. This is kind of leaking all these nasty things, so always have like a towel with you. Now we're going to replace the new one with the new one. Now the new one has a little thing that is called a water level. Now what that means is that you want to make sure that the height of this is the height that you want to have it over here. In this case, we want to have it just right below this kind of lip over here. And that's pretty much what I did. Now how to do that? This thing is adjustable. So you can adjust it to any type of toilet tank you have. And so I already kind of adjusted right there. What you're going to do is you're going to take your new little lock nut. This thing has already the washer over here, so we're going to put it on. Make sure that you don't have no debris on the bottom. Put it really well, and then lock it up again, okay? That we have our new fill valve in place. We're going to get our feeding hose back again in place. Make sure that you kind of line it up before you start screwing it back. This is the way you do it. You're not supposed to put some sort of like a tool pressure. It's just made for your hand pressure. Now, if you feel that it's going to leak a little bit, you always can use your channel lock or your vice grip, okay? Okay, now as you can see, the valve went all the way up to whatever we said. The water line level is just right there, right at the edge of the stuff. And that's pretty much what we wanted to. Now remember that if you don't have a proper fill valve working, you're gonna spend a lot of dollars just in the water bill, because this thing will be running constantly. It's like having a shower pretty much running 24 hours. So consider replacing that for a couple of dollars. I hope this video helped you a lot in understanding how it works, and please subscribe. I will always put some educational videos that will help you out. Okay, thank you.